This is Bob Joyner, and in this video I'm going to talk about Forex trading courses and a few questions you might ask as you consider purchasing a Forex trading course. Of course, if you're just starting out, one of the things that you might want to consider before jumping into things is just to decide how serious you are and what your current level of interest is. So for example, if you've been trading stocks in the past, you've been trading options, and you're considering trading Forex, and probably don't want to spend a couple $1,000s on a course right away until you know a little bit more about the person you're buying the course from, at least, or what your level of interest is. Are you just kind of kicking the car right now, trying to decide if you want to buy it or not, or what your level of commitment is part of that. But your level of interest, for example, if you're thinking about playing golf, you wouldn't immediately go out and buy a $5,000 bag of clubs, when you haven't even gotten to the practice tee yet. So just to kind of make a easy comparison there. So that'd be one of the first things that you might want to ask is what's your current level of interest before you actually purchase a course. The next question would be what's your current level of experience. So for example, again, if you're just starting out, again, no need to buy the expensive set of clubs. If you're just getting to the practice tee and you're just trying to, you just started paper trading, that sort of thing, I'll give you some free material here in just one second, a free link that you can go and kind of get up to speed with the basics of Forex trading before you spend any money on actual courses. The next thing I would ask is what's your long-term intention. Some people are going to be trading Forex just a couple of hours in the evening around their full-time job or whatever, and they're just kind of dabbling. They're serious about it, but they're not expecting it to be a full-time income. They're not expecting it to replace their current job, that sort of thing. So if your long-term intention is more serious than that, then you might want to consider a more serious course, a more thorough type course. So those are just some of the ideas that you might want to think about. A great source, a free educational source, is BabyPips.com. If you go to that website that's listed here on your screen, they have a school, and it goes through several levels. I think it starts like at elementary level and goes to take you through the collegiate level or something like that. But it's just a series of courses, plenty of advertising, of course, on that free site, but it will get you through the basics. There are some other things not shown on the screen, but to the right there are some tools also that can help you with managing, trade management positions, that sort of thing. So great site if you're just starting out. No need to spend any money at all yet. Just go to this site. I'm not part of that site, but do recommend it. Some good information there. If you are just trying to consider if you want to even do currencies at all, then I don't know if you can see this URL right in here, but if you go to this URL that's highlighted there, the Dahoney4megaf.com, you might have to pause the video to write that down, but if you'll go to that, there's a free set of free 4-part series videos that I've recorded that compares trading currencies to trading stocks, and kind of compares different things that you might want to consider and some pitfalls that you might want to think about too before you jump into the currency market. So that series of videos there is free. Again, it's a 4-part series, and don't worry if you give me your email address. I will not hound you with lots and lots of offers. I very seldom mail to my list because I don't have time for it. The other thing is, if you're serious about it, if you're interested in a more serious type currency course, my currency course is called Forex Pip Starter Pro, and you can find more information at this URL at my website. Just startdaytrading.com with a hyphen in between each word, and forex.html is the URL there, and that will tell you a little bit more about my course. My course is $197 a month, so it's not cheap. It's on the higher end of things. Forex courses that cost money, that are anything worth anything at all, are going to cost anywhere from several $100s to multiple thousands of dollars. And again, it goes back to that set of questions I asked in the beginning, what your level of interest, experience is, and what your your long-term intention is. If you're trying to replace your income, then you might want to dig deeper. My course goes into, without going into all the details here, it will cover day trading and swing trading strategies. It will also cover multiple ways of trading, For example, a lot of courses will emphasize only like pin bars and lines of support and resistance, or others might emphasize momentum type trading on a 1 minute chart, whereas my course is more than a course. It's a full educational thing with daily video recaps, etc., and it looks at multiple strategies, multiple time frames. It's very thorough for the more serious type currency trader. If you're at that point, I'd encourage you to check that out. So a quick review there of our possible day trading courses or swing trading courses related to trading the currency market. I hope that quick review and some of those questions are helpful to you as you decide what's the next course for you.